What's going on, guys? It's your boy Moto Genshin back at it again with another video. Today I'm gonna teach you guys, or not really teach you, but show you guys how I flashed my 2022 Triumph Trident 660's ECU using the app called TuneEcu, and I got the tune map from DNK. DNK is a company based out of, used to be Virginia from what I heard, and now it's in Seattle, or somewhere in Washington, not Seattle. So I'm on my way home right now from work. When we get home, I will show you guys what you need and how I did the process. By the way, guys, before you get started on this, it is recommended to have a battery tender for your bike, so that when you're reprogramming the ECU, it doesn't die off on you. What essentially, when the bike dies while you're reprogramming it, you may brick your ECU, so then that will require you to get a new ECU, and then, you know, a whole bunch of shit show. I didn't use a battery tender, I just kind of winged it. The whole thing took about 15 minutes. It's more like 13 or 15 minutes for me. So yeah, I'd recommend you guys to be on the safe side, so just get a battery tender and just hook up your battery. That way you can be more secured. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I also got a quad lock for my phone over here. It also has a wireless charger, which I'm a really fan of. It's been great. I have also the vibration dampener for it. I mean, I've just been hearing about people breaking their phones while it's mounted on the motorcycle handlebars. So hopefully mine doesn't break, my camera doesn't break. Alright, first things first, these are the things that you need. Of course, you're going to need your key, an Android device. This is a Galaxy S6 Lite tablet that I purchased a while ago, and OBD Link LX, MX, or MX Plus. This one is the LX. I got it from Amazon for $60. Comes with a 3-year warranty. And before we get started, I'm going to show you guys how to download TuneEcu and how to get that tune from DNK loaded into your app. All right, be right back. All right, guys, now that we are in our tablet, go to tuneecu.net. Hit go, and it'll take you to this website right here. Click on your language. I pick UK for English. Scroll all the way down, and you'll find this hyperlink that says official website. Click on the blue hyperlink. It'll redirect you to another website, and hit that download pink download button. Hit OK. After it's done downloading, hit open, and you can install it from there. Alright, guys, now go to your TuneEcu app and make sure that your ECU is connected by clicking the ECU and click connect. Alright, since it doesn't say unregistered over here, it means that we are good to go. The light should be flashing over here as well. And all you have to do is swipe to the left. One more. And you'll get this map table here. Once you get here, just click on, was it ECU? No, it's map, open. And I have mine saved in the downloads folder, which I had to go back and hit download. And this is the file right here.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, here we go. We are uploading the tune on the bike. It's currently on the on position, and it looks like we are at 11% and 13 minutes left.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, it says over here reprogram is done. Let's hit up OK. It says turn ignition off for 5 seconds and then click OK. Alright, ignition off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and click OK. This map is protected. Okay. Should be able to move this to the side now. Ooh, I don't want to scratch it. Oops, I don't want to scratch that tablet. Took the case out. And then let's see if she'll start. Disconnect, take it out, and we'll go for a test drive. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, well, there you have it. We are back in home base. What are my thoughts? I am very happy and pleased with the purchase. Do I recommend it? Yes, I would. One of the main features that really was grinding my gears was the throttle lag. When you give it some throttle, it gives you that kind of not one-to-one throttle. You know, it was like laggy. So that definitely got rid of that. Now I feel like it pulls harder, especially on first and second gear. First gear on this one. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend getting a tune. If you do get an exhaust, get a tune from DNK. This is not a sponsored ad, by the way. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Peace out and ride safe.